The GOOZEEZOO Shari PiHat radio interface offers a compact, self-contained UHF Allstar node solution that mounts cleanly on a Raspberry Pi for a very portable station. Its integrated SA818 radio module covers the 70-centimeter amateur band with roughly 1 watt of output power, which is ideal for local linking and low-profile deployments. Front panel indicator lights for power, audio connection, carrier-operated squelch, and push-to-talk make it easy to confirm node status at a glance without digging into software menus. The single circuit board design, with surface mount parts already installed and only a couple of through-hole components, makes assembly straightforward even for hobbyists with modest soldering experience. A dedicated USB Type-C power input and careful attention to 5-volt supply requirements help avoid the flaky behavior that often plagues poorly powered Allstar nodes. Compatibility with multiple generations of Raspberry Pi boards and the use of a well-supported USB audio chipset give this interface strong flexibility for both new builds and upgrades.